Accidentally deleted a crucial file from OneDrive? Don't panic. I'll show you how to recover it in under a minute. So here's the thing. That file isn't gone forever. OneDrive keeps a safety net for exactly this situation. It's called the recycle bin. And once you know how to use it, you can rescue any file you accidentally tossed out. And I'm going to walk you through it step by step, with the actual screenshots right here so you can see exactly what to click. First, we'll open the recycle bin. Then we'll locate your file using the 3 dots menu. And finally, we'll hit Restore to bring it back home. Let's get started. Start by navigating to OneDrive's recycle bin. Now, this isn't the same as the Windows recycle bin on your desktop. It's a separate folder that lives inside your OneDrive account online. So open your web browser and go to onedrive.live.com. Make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account you were using when you deleted the file. Once you're there, look on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of menu options: Documents, Pictures, Shared, and right there, probably near the bottom, you'll see the words Recycle Bin. Go ahead and click on it. This might take a second to load if you have a lot of stuff in there, but that's totally normal. Now we're in the recycle bin. This is where all your recently deleted files live for a limited time, usually about 30 days for personal accounts or longer if you're on a business plan. So find your file. It might be easier to sort by date deleted or use the search bar at the top if you remember the file name. Once you spot it, click the circle or checkbox next to it to select it. And here's the really important part. Take a good look at the file name and make sure it's the right one before you move on. Now, with the file selected, you'll see 3 dots appear next to it. Those 3 dots are your key. Click them. A small menu pops up with a few options. So now that we've got that menu open, let's finish this up. Click on Restore. That's it. One click and the file zips right back to its original folder, exactly where it was before you deleted it. You don't have to navigate anywhere or confirm anything. OneDrive just puts it back. And here's a little tip from experience. If the original folder was deleted too, OneDrive will recreate it for you automatically, so you don't have to worry about that either. And just like that, you've gone from panicking over a lost file to confidently restoring it in seconds. If you ever need to do this again, you now know the exact path. Recycle bin, 3 dots, restore. It's that simple. Thanks for sticking with me. Now go open that file and give yourself a pat on the back. You earned it.